Question number 1. CRO works by deflecting a beam of. Correct answer is option A, electrons. Question number 2. An avometer is also called. Correct answer is option C, a multimeter. Question number 3. When a small resistance is connected parallel to the galvanometer, then resulting is. Correct answer is option C, ammeter. Question number 4. If the motor is overloaded, then the magnitude of back EMF. Correct answer is option B, decreases. Question number 5. Lenz's law and Kirchhoff's second law is in accordance with the law of conservation of. Correct answer is option D, energy. Question number 6. When the back EMF in the circuit is 0, it draws. Correct answer is option B, maximum. Question number 7. Which one of the following is not present in AC generator? Correct answer is option B, commutator. Question number 8. Energy stored in an inductor is given by. Correct answer is option A, 1/2 Li square. Question number 9. An ideal transformer does not change dash level. Correct answer is option D, power. Question number 10. An inductor may store energy in its. Correct answer is option A, magnetic field. Question number 11. The self-induction is given by. Correct answer is option D, N is equal to Li. Question number 12. Commutator was invented in. Correct answer is option B, 1834. Question number 13. The working principle of transformer is. Correct answer is option C, mutual induction. Question number 14. Alternating current and voltage are in phase in dash. Correct answer is option A, resistor. Question number 15. The phase angle at positive peak is. Correct answer is option A, pi/2. Question number 16. The sum of positive and negative peak values is called. Correct answer is option D, P value. Question number 17. The power of factor of RL series circuit is. Correct answer is option C, less than 1. Question number 18. In Pakistan, the frequency of AC supply is. Correct answer is option B, 50 Hz. Question number 19. At a higher frequency of AC source. Correct answer is option C, XCX. Question number 20. In RC series circuit current dash voltage. Correct answer is option A, leads. Question number 21. The photoconductor used in photocopier is. Correct answer is option B, selenium. Question number 22. Electric flux is maximum when electric field intensity is a dash to the plane of the object. Correct answer is option C, 90 degree. Question number 23. Which field can be shielded? Correct answer is option A, electric field. Question number 24. 1 EV equal to. Correct answer is option A, 1.6 multiply 10 raised to power negative 19 joule. Question number 25. The value of Coulomb's constant depends upon. Correct answer is option B, medium. Question number 26. The change of potential with respect to distance is equal to. Correct answer is option C, electric intensity. Question number 27. The unit of electric intensity is. Correct answer is option D, both A and B. Question number 28. The unit of capacitance is. Correct answer is option C, farad. Question number 29. Energy stored in a 2F capacitor having potential difference of 2 volt across its plates is. Correct answer is option B, 4 joule. Question number 30. During charging the capacitor, time constant defines the timer required to deposit dash times Q. Correct answer is option B, 0.63. Question number 31. Silver and the dash are the best conductors. Correct answer is option A, copper. Question number 32. A single black color represents dash ohm of resistance. Correct answer is option A, 0. Question number 33. In gases, the charge carriers of electric current is. Correct answer is option B, ions. Question number 34. Kirchhoff's first rule is the law of conservation of. Correct answer is option B, charge. Question number 35. The value of the resistance depends upon. Correct answer is option D, all. Question number 36. The material with negative temperature coefficient is. Correct answer is option D, all. Question number 37. The tolerance for silver band is about. Correct answer is option A, 10%. Question number 38. Electric intensity is a dash quantity. Correct answer is option B, vector. Question number 39. The capacitance of a capacitor increases with. Correct answer is option A, increase in plate area. Question number 40. The dielectric used in a capacitor affects its. Correct answer is option B, capacitance.